Because of the unique circumstances and challenges surrounding this case, the Santa Cruz County Attorney's Office has decided not to seek a retrial.
There you have it. The Santa Cruz County Attorney's Office has decided not to retry George Allen Kelly for second-degree murder after a month of testimony ended in a mistrial last week.
Now, George Kelly was charged after an undocumented migrant was found dead on his Keno Springs property last year. Our chief investigative reporter, Cores Nylander, has followed this case from the very beginning. He joins us now live from Nogales. And now this has all come to an end, Cores.
Yeah, and it has been a long road to this point, Sean. I can tell you that the George Allen Kelly defense team has made it very clear to me this was not their first choice. They would have much rather seen this jury return a not guilty verdict, but this to them is the second best option. George Allen Kelly now, for the first time, really confident that he will remain a free man. What we did see out here today, which I never saw at any point during this trial, a small protest set up outside the courthouse.
You have a chance.
It's nail on the head, relief. Thank God.
It's been quite a journey. We look forward to the future.
Aside from the shouting, the protest remained peaceful. It was only about 5 or 6 people. Kelly, on his way out of court, said that he sympathizes with the family of the victim, Gabriel Quambutamea, and he's sorry for their loss. He does not admit to having anything to do with his death. His murder trial ended in a mistrial last week because the jury could not reach a unanimous decision. The defense team says 7 jurors were going to acquit him, but only one holdout was firmly held to a guilty verdict. But the result now essentially the same. Kelly is home tonight, a free man. He feels confident. That is how things will remain. Certainly a celebration tonight with his wife, Wanda. This is likely the end, the last pages of this book. Now he hopes it can be closed for good. The only really upcoming decisions to be made is whether or not the state will close this out with or without prejudice. If it's without prejudice, if they were to find some significant new evidence in the future, they could potentially come back and file the charges once again. But the defense team doesn't seem so worried about that happening. Kelly just trying to move on from this. We're live from Nogales tonight. Cores Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
Cores